Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss 5 tech companies that have big plans for the metaverse. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. As Mark Zuckerberg continues to lead Meta into the virtual realm in 2022 and beyond, the biggest tech giants are positioning ways to partner with the platform to expand their global reach. Whether it's gaming software, cloud computing, semiconductor chips, VR headsets, NFTs, and more, the Metaverse is the most exciting technological hub for big brand names to expand their influence. While some recognizable companies have loose affiliations with the brand, the ones that have ambitious plans and partnerships with the Metaverse across a wide spectrum of projects are bound to make the biggest societal impact. 1. Alphabet Incorporated. The parent company of Google, Alphabet is one of the most valuable tech giants in the world and is wisely investing in Metaverse-related projects. According to a Bloomberg interview, Google CEO Sundar Pichai invested $39.5 million in the Metaverse projects as a way of evolving computing in an immersive way with augmented reality. Google's most ambitious plans for the Metaverse include Project Starline, a 3D interface that uses AR, VR, machine learning, computer vision, spatial audio, and real-time compression to make virtual reality interfacing as smooth and lifelike as possible, all without the use of a headset. During the Google Cloud Next 2022 event days ago, CEO Thomas Kurian revealed 4 new cloud computing tools for use in the Metaverse and Web3, including a partnership with Coinbase per VentureBeat. 2. Decentraland. As NFTs and cryptocurrencies continue to grow in popularity in 2022 and beyond, Decentraland has positioned itself as a major player in the Metaverse. According to CrowdGrade.us, Decentraland is the first decentralized blockchain-powered space in the Metaverse and is bridging the gap between social media, virtual reality, and digital marketplaces. Inside the 3D virtual world browser, users can purchase land in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by spending Mana cryptocurrency. While other tech companies like Binance have moved into the NFT Metaverse space, Decentraland has even bigger plans in the near future, with events like its awesome 4-day VR music festival planned this November, per FTevening.com. 3. Epic Games. Gaming is one of the central draws of the Metaverse, and Epic Games is wasting no time getting into the fray. According to SportsInsider.com, in April 2022, Epic Games invested a whopping $2 billion to expand its Metaverse presence, with funding coming from Sony and Kirby. While specific details are scant, the plan is to develop new digital fan experiences in sports, per Sony CEO Kenichiro Yoshida. Part of Epic Games' plans to dominate the Metaverse comes from its popular gaming franchise Fortnite. Per Forbes, Epic Games invested an additional round of funding to further expand its Metaverse presence in September 2022, pouring part of its latest $30 million cash injection to bolster Hadean, a Metaverse infrastructure creator. 4. Roblox Corporation. With its open platform, user-generated content, Roblox has major plans for a Metaverse future. The virtual social network allows users to come together, make friends, collaborate on digital missions, and play the most popular Roblox games in 2022. However, according to Yahoo, Roblox is separating itself in the Metaverse with its Roblox Studio and Roblox Client tools. Roblox Studio is a free-to-use feature that allows developers and creators to build, publish, and operate 3D worlds. As for Roblox Client, the tool empowers users to explore 3D digital worlds created by other users, which gets to the heart of Metaverse's interoperability model. And beyond Roblox's massive gaming scope, it also offers Roblox Education, giving students the opportunity to learn through maximized virtual interfacing. 5. Unity Software. The overwhelming tech data suggests Unity Software is among the biggest Metaverse players in 2022 and beyond. According to Nasdaq, Unity Software claims, "Our platform provides a comprehensive set of software solutions to create, run, and monetize interactive, real-time 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, consoles, and augmented and virtual reality devices." In March 2022, Unity announced plans to partner with Insomniac Events to throw massive virtual concerts in the Metaverse, per Yahoo, where fans of each band can gather in one virtual space regardless of their physical location. Between the gaming landscape and virtual events, Unity Software is positioned better than most tech companies to overtake the Metaverse sooner than later. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.